Yo. 8 horas de chupacabra con queso y mexicano. ¡Feliz Cinco de Mayo! Yo quiero el pollo loco de cabeza, estrella, los cumpleaños, toro, burrito y chica, novio de baño. Tú estás biblioteca, no casa, comina, azul, la computadora. Azul 1-4, no Sánchez, con jalapeño, piñata. ¿Qué hora es? We're infusing the quesadilla into a casserole, which is perfect for Cinco de Mayo. It's great for family dinners, parties, potlucks, you name it. So let's go. We'll start with the queso. Now you can use store-bought, but it's pretty simple to put together. Now I have a pint of heavy cream that I'm going to add to a large pot and just bring it up to heat. Now we're going to sprinkle in the cheese a little at a time, and we're just going to be whisking constantly until it's melted, incorporated, and it thickens. And I'm using about 4 cups of quesadilla cheese just so that it has a more authentic flavor, but you can use any cheese blend that you like. Now the mixture is going to get pretty thick, so you'll want to use the half and half, and you'll add a little bit at a time until it gets to the consistency that you like. Once it's at the consistency that you like, then we're going to take it off the heat, and to that we're going to add a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies drained. And then we're going to also add a small can of diced green chilies, also drained. Then we're going to mix well and set aside. To assemble, place a layer of flour tortillas in the bottom of a baking dish or a casserole dish. Then we're going to add a layer of our queso. And a layer of the shredded cheese. Now I have some shredded chicken here, and I just want to give it some flavor. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of cinnamon to warm it up. And then we're going to add a layer of the shredded chicken. Now we're going to top that off with some black beans and some salsa. And we're going to add another layer of queso. And then another layer of shredded cheese. And then top that with another layer of flour tortillas. And then we just repeat the layering. You're going to have a final top of tortillas, and then you're going to top that with more cheese. This goes into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Remove and then enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. ¡Feliz Cinco de Mayo! Por favor, hermano de niña, su casa, yo lo sé. Quiero y salsa, dos tengo taco verde con vámonos, mija, bueno nacho, bien, y tú, la música. Dinero de nada, domingo, miércoles, día de los muertos, 3, coquina, González. Madre 11, chiquita rosé, 12 de leche, frío, familia, amigo. Gracias con casa y adiós de la delicioso de plata en español.